Hi, I'm Hayden from MemberSpace, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a fully functional membership website just like this one in only 5 minutes. You'll be able to customize everything, create a unique URL, and of course, sell digital products and membership access to your exclusive content. This is perfect for creators and really anyone with an audience on any device. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is sign up for a MemberSpace account, and this is the tool you're going to use to create your membership site. All you need to do is either sign up through your Google account or fill out some basic information, your name, email, and password. Then click Create a Simple Membership Site for Me automatically. Just type in your business name and our pop site integration will get to work creating your new website. Your next step is adding your digital content. So whatever you want to sell to your members or your customers, you're going to upload here. That could be online courses, videos, templates, workshops, literally anything you want to sell membership access to. And if you just have one thing to start off with, that's totally fine too. You can add as much as you want later. So at this stage, you're just going to add a title for your product, a description, and a cover image that your members will be able to see when they log into your membership. Now it's time to set your pricing. So you'll choose how you want to charge customers to access that premium content that you just uploaded. You've got a few options here. So you could do recurring payments for membership subscriptions. You could do a one-time payment for a single product like an online course. You can even do multiple payments for big bundles or higher ticket items to make them a little bit more affordable for your members. Or you can even choose free for a starter tier. You'll just need to connect to a Stripe account to process your payments. You can either use an existing one or set up a new one really quickly. And that's it. Your brand new membership site has now been created. It's time to check it out and decide how you'd like to customize it. So you'll head over to the left-hand menu and click Your Site, and your new website will open up in Pop Site. You can see here there's some placeholder text, buttons for your customers to click if they want to join your membership site, some information about your business, FAQs, all the essentials. Now, before sharing your membership site with the world, I recommend logging into PopSite to make some quick customizations. Now, you should have been emailed a login with your PopSite username and password. Use that and you'll get access to the back end of your membership site. Once you're logged in, you can change your theme, which controls your color palette. You can change all your copy, add sections, add images and icons, all the basic design elements you'd need to have it align with your business's brand. Once you've made it yours, people can start signing up and paying you for access to your membership site. So be sure to share it with family, friends, social media followers. Definitely drop the link in your social media bios so it's easy for people to find. Here's how everything will work moving forward. Anything related to your membership content, pricing, or tiers, you'll manage inside your MemberSpace account. And anything related to site design, like colors, copy, fonts, or your domain, you'll handle inside of PopSite. The two work together seamlessly, so any updates you make in MemberSpace will automatically appear on your PopSite. And remember, you don't need to get everything perfect on day one. You can always come back, make changes, and keep building as you grow. So, in just a few minutes, you've signed up, created your site, uploaded your content, set your pricing, customized your design, and shared it with the world. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We would love to help. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more step by step tutorials on growing your membership site. Thanks for watching.